All right, what's going on, guys? We are getting ready to trade the nightly session. What do you call it? The afternoon session. The stock market futures reopening here. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm trading futures after hours once the stock market is closed. That's right. There's futures trading going on after 6 p.m. till the next day, till the market reopens the next day. So we'll see what happens if we can get a little opportunity here to make some money today. Looking to see what happens here out of open. We had a big move there end of day from the 62 level down there to the 20. So looking to see if this is going to break or kind of hold this 35 support right here. I think below 35, look for a nice little short opportunity and just kind of see, okay, we're looking to get short here. Okay, getting 2 contracts short. I look to add some more if this pushes back up here a little bit with my stop up here at the 40 area. So we're going to short there the 35s right now. Looking to short here the 35s with some adding pressure, or I can add some more as we go higher here. So just kind of putting out some orders there. See if I can't get a nice fill in this area here below the 40s, below that 340 area. And we'll look for a move. I'd like to see a move down there below 320. So that's what we're looking for. Currently got 2 contracts. Like I said, looking to add some more as this pops up here a little bit. Looking for a little pop back up as this kind of filled the gap there. Kind of a little bit of a gap down. A little bit of a gap down right there as the market reopened. But looking to see if we can't break down, baby. Let's see if we can get the break down below the 35 here. That's why just kind of risking small risk. You can see right now starting out with $0 in profit today. Looking to capitalize on some moves here after hours. The market already kind of dipping down here, down there to the 34s now with my entry there at the 35. So looking to get a little bit more. Only got 2 contracts, like I said, looking to add into this move. I don't want to just jump in all right out of the gate here. Looking for kind of some good price action to kind of load up a little bit more. Looking maybe probably get a move. Let's look for a move maybe down into the 30s. Currently trading with a 1-minute chart as well, just because the market just reopened and the volume's kind of light, so we're not getting a ton of price action, but we're trying to at least see kind of what these candles are looking like here. But keeping a close eye really on the 15-minute chart more, so that's where my kind of overall game plan is with that short here as this breaks down below that 15-minute candle that just closed there. You'll see here later, but it's kind of basing my stop as well right there at the top of that 15-minute candle there at the 39, below 40 area. So looking for this to stay below the 3,040 area, the 40s there, and looking for this to continue lower here after hours and try to see if we can get a break. Maybe get down here to the, like I said, 3,020 area. Trading the micro E-minis tonight, just so anybody is confused. Micro E-minis are 1/10 the size of the normal E-minis. It's called the micro E-minis. Less margin requirement, less money needed to trade them, less risk, and all of that fun stuff. So really great tool for trading, especially if you're a beginner day trader. This is definitely a good tool to use, the micros, the micro E-minis. If you're looking for, something to trade, you're really looking to get your whistle wet, well, the micros, the way to do it, I think. So still looking to see, I think we might get a little pop back up here. That's why I'm kind of not really getting too crazy sizing in yet. I'm totally fine with the idea of just kind of popping up here a little bit, up to like the 37, 38 area. If I can get most of my fill here to 37, 38 area, I think that would be great for my overall trade plan, especially with the stop here at the 40s. So really only risking, at that point, maybe 3 to 4 handles for a 10 to 20 handle move here tonight. In the defense, or in the idea of this breaking the upside as well, if we break above 30-40, I'll look to get long if the manipulation is real and Jay Powell wants to send the market higher tonight. So either way, we're going to risk 4 handles here for possible, maybe 10 handles to the upside, maybe 10 handles to the downside. We'll see what happens. Just like I said, kind of sizing in small here as this volume and action just really hasn't come in yet. Might take a little bit of time for this move to happen here. Put another order right here at the 35.75. Maybe actually cancel that. I'm gonna just be patient here. I know exactly what's gonna happen. This is gonna push up here, and then it's gonna get hammered. So no point in going against my intuition here. So there's that little spike we're looking for up here to the 36s. We'll see if we get, you just take a little bit right here, 30. See if I get 35, 75. It looks like it's kind of slowing down. They're just taking one contract, so just sizing into this nice and easy. Popping back up there now, up to the 37s, so looking good for my fills to continue as we push up here. Looking to get my full size up here in the 40s, up in this area. So already getting denied there, the 38 area. Looking to see, come on, baby. Trying to get a little bit more fill. Only got 5 contracts currently, but you can see that push up there to the 39s and getting hammered back down here, just like I said. So if we lose this 35s, we should definitely get a break below 34s here and get this moving. Wow. Wow. Are you kidding me right now? Come on. Did I call it or did I call it? People looking for this move down. We'll say into the 30s. Take some profit here in the 30 area. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, 30. Looking for a little bit more here. Don't need to be too quick to pull the trigger, but still lock in a little bit of profit as we go here. And there's the 30s again. Like I said, probably would bounce there at the 30 area. That's exactly what we're doing. So we're a little bit of a bounce there. So I'm going to just leave this last contract. Already locked in $100 here. Trading the micro E-minis. That's what I make very clear, guys. Micro E-minis, it's an amazing tool. Very small risk here. Large reward. And you can see how really, this is a frustrating trade because I called it out perfectly. Everything exactly what we said. We get that big spike there up to the 39s. Was hoping to get a little bit more fill there, 38, 39 area. We didn't get filled, but still, you can see locking in already $100 in profit from the 38s, almost 10 handles, just like we were looking for, and calling it all out in real time right here or right now for you guys. So this is getting recorded as it's actually happening. So it's actually happening in real time. Yes, real time. So we'll see what happens. I'll be looking to kind of add into this pop now. If we get a little pop up here, might look to add a little bit more here to 35 area. Might just let this one contract kind of ride tonight and see if we can't get down there to the 320s or lower here later. But still locking in $100 and calling it out. Just play-by-play. Textbook, baby. Textbook. What did I say? Do the replay, you know? Come on now. Let's go. All right, so we're looking to see if this area push back up here to the 35 area. We'll see if we get up here to the 35s, 36s, 35, 36 area for some more short on this. You can see right now they're at the 32s and still wanting to go lower here. Got one contract left, so it's nothing but profit at this point. Already locked in $100 in profit. This last contract really is just the house's money at this point. It's just free money. Whatever this contract gives me is just free money at this point. So let's see. Let's see what we get here. I'm going to put my stop basically right at the top of this candle there, the 36.25 area, be right there. So either way, I'm still going to lock in, a little bit of profit, but looking to turn this into a nice maybe $50 contract. Get a $50 win off one contract is never bad. Never a bad. Looking to see if this will get down there below that 29 support. We just got that bounce off that 30 area. Just like we called this out play by play, my friends. Literally, I was like, all right, I'm going to slowly size into this. I'm going to look for that spike and then the drop probably down here to the 30 area. And that's bam, bam, bam. That's what we got. There's no, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to say. I kind of want to show you. This is all in real time. This is not pre-recorded and anything like that. I want to show you my phone here. Just 6:15. What time is it right now on the chart? 6:15. So it's real time, people. This is not like a pre-recorded or replay or anything like that. Market simulation. This is real money, real time, real action. So still looking for that push back up here to the 36 area. Just another kind of one of these spikes like this, little spike there. So let's see if we get it. Slowly, I think this is going to be probably another sell-off from here. Got two contracts now. Looking, like I said, that 36 area again to get touched, maybe 35s. I'll look to add 34, 35, 36 area here on this move. Put some orders out there. See if we get some fills. 34 is starting to get touched there again. There we go. Beautiful. There's that little spike we were looking for. Changing over to a 3-minute time frame now that we've got a little bit more time, a little bit more data on the chart. We were trading on the 1 minute there just as the market opened there at 6 p.m. So Now we're over at a 3-minute time frame. You can see it's a little bit cleaner, a little bit easier to see the resistance here. That 40 area resistance, breaking through that support there at the 35s, getting down there to the 30s, like we were saying, kind of looking for that consolidation area, bouncing there off the 30s, and now trying to push back up here a little bit, and still looking for this to continue selling lower here. And we'll see if we can get that continuation lower here. Try to cover some of this down here again in the 30s, and let some of this run for a nice little possible move down here to the 20s later on. So that's what we got going on right now. That's the game plan. The plan for the game today. My stop really now on this should just kind of be in this area, the 38, 39 area. Well, we'll see if this does kind of spike back up here a little bit. Again, we'll add into that and kind of just played off the same ideas earlier here with a stop at the 40s. Put another order out there at the 35. See if I get another contract here. This is having trouble popping back up here. Only got 4 contracts currently. Getting that 35 contract now. So we had a nice little push back up here to the 39 area. And you can see now, look at this, dropping back down. I ended up adding all the way up to this 39 with an average now there at the 35.81. And you can see right now, this thing's just tanking. Look for this break below 33 here, taking a little bit of profit right at that 33 level. See if we can get filled here. A little bit of profit there just to lock it down, locking down the profit there. So now looking for this to continue lower. This thing's just ready to get down here to the 29-20 area. So let's see if we can get this to break below 33. I think if we can break 33 here, it should just be a snowball effect and get some good selling pressure to come in there and get us out for a nice little win here. I'm gonna let it ride. You can see basically now at this point my stop there at the 37 level with the entry there at the 35. Well, my average there at the 35 now. So looking for a nice little dip. I would love to see the 27s give me 10 handles on this. Always the goal. I feel good about taking 10 handles in profit. Looking for this break below the 33 level right here. Look, I think we can get it. I don't know why I just licked myself, but I think we get this break here out below the 33, get down there to 29. So got 3 contracts left. You can see locking in close to $150 here. 2 contracts basically there with an average on those 2 contracts there at the 37 level. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my stop loss to just right there at break even area and let these 2 contracts ride and see if we can get down there to the 20s tonight with these last 2 contracts to get a nice little I don't want to say home run, but get a nice little addition to the profit here. Just putting some extra money in the account at this point. All right, guys, look at this. Look at this action from the 40s, just like I talked about earlier. Now down here to the 25s, down. You can see I'm up right now. I'm up $57 on 1 contract. So that's 10 handles from the 37s now down there to the 26s. I'm going to hold this last contract, see if we can get down there below the 20s tonight. Let this ride. But talk about me calling the action as it unfolded. I mean, we literally nailed it here. Nailed it top to bottom. I took profit, obviously, a lot earlier than I wanted to on these trades, but that's just something I got to work on personally. I got to just make sure that I'm capitalizing. And at the end of the day, the more and more that I see these patterns, the more and more that I make this type of observation where I, crush it so hard, crush it like this. I mean, there's going to come a point where, it's just time to really let them ride, Patrick. Let them ride. So look at that move. Beautiful. I'm going to take profit right here at the 50s. See if I'll get it. There we go. So locking in $228. It is currently, what time is it? It's currently 8 p.m. And look at that move. 2 hours. $228, 2 hours. Not bad, my friends. Not bad. So there it is. Locking out the profit.